Hello everyone, today we will learn how we can create an application with the help of Thunkable platform. First, type Thunkable in Google search. Click on Thunkable login link. It will ask for credential. If you already have an account on Google, so you can use your Google account credentials to sign in on Thunkable platform. This is how your Thunkable platform look like. Click on Create New App button. Provide the name for your application as Login App. Click on it. In your left hand side, you will see your application name is displaying here. Along with, there are different type of out-of-box palettes available. In your right hand side, you will see a property. If you want to change the property for your screen, screen is nothing, your mobile phone screen, then you can click on screen and here you can change the properties for this screen. If you want to add multiple screen, then you can click on add screen and here you can give the name for your screen and click on OK. If you want to see the application created by you, then click on App menu, click on My Apps. Here all the application available which was created by you. Click on Login App. Before starting, you have to collect all the information about your application, how your application should be looking like. For example, now we are going to create a login page. So our login page should be look like as this login page. So what this login page is containing? It containing label as sign in, label as username, label as password, 2 text box and 2 buttons. In a similar way, we will create a login page for login app application. In your left hand side, click on layout, drag horizontal arrangement on your screen. So we need of 4 horizontal arrangement here. 1 for sign in label, 1 for this username, 1 for password and 1 for 2 buttons. So we will drag and drop 4 horizontal layouts. For this horizontal layout, there should be one label named as sign in. Click on user interface, drag label inside horizontal arrangement 1. If you want to set the property for this label, click on this label and change the name as sign in. You also can change the background color for this particular label. Select the background color as material light green. Make the font bold. Click on this horizontal arrangement. In this horizontal arrangement, there should be one label named as username and there should be one text box. So, click on user interface, drag label inside horizontal and drag text box inside horizontal arrangement 2. If you want to set the properties for horizontal arrangement, then click on this and then set the property vertical as center. Then automatically the label will come in center as well as your text box. Change the properties for label 2. Provide the name as username make it as bold. The similar way we will drag password label as well as password text box in horizontal layout 3. Change the setting for horizontal arrangement 3. Align it to the center. Change the label name. Make it bold. Similar to this login page, now we should have two buttons available on the page. One is login and one is sign up. So in this horizontal layout, we will drag two buttons, one for sign in, one for login. Change the name for this button as login. Make the font bold. Change the text as sign up for this button. Now we have to change the font size for this label. Select this label, change the font size as 20. If you want to change the background color for these buttons, click the button, change the background color as natural light green. If you want to set the background image for the screen, then select the screen, click on background image property, upload a file here and click on OK. Now we have to align these buttons in the mid. So how we can do this, how we can set up it? Click on horizontal layout, set the width as 50%. Then click on button 1, set the width as 20%. Similar do for sign up button. 25%. This is how we can set the width of the horizontal layout as well as for the buttons. If you want to save your application, just go to apps menu, click on save app. The application is saved now. Go to my apps. If you click on login apps, your application is saved now. Now we have to test this application. This is a way we can test this application. Go to test menu, click on Thunkable Live. Our requirement is that when the user will click on login button, then a login successful message should come in another screen. So for this we will create another screen. Click on add screen, give the name as screen 2, click on OK button. On the screen 2, we have to write a message login successful. So for this, drag and drop a label, give the name as login successful and set the size as 20. You can increase the size a little bit, 25, and you can set the background image for the screen 2. Already the background image is saved, so we can just select it. should be bold and background color should be light. Now logic should be how we can swap from one page to another page. It means from one screen to second screen when the user will click on login button. For this we have to write a logic. So how we can write a logic? Click on block tabs. In block tabs, click on login button. In login button, when the user will click on login button, then some action should be performed. So for this we have to select this block. When the user is clicking on login button, then it should go to screen second. So for this you have to write control. Control should be open another screen value. Then select text. Select text should be empty and give your screen name. A screen name is screen 2. Now we have to test our application. Then click on Test, Thunkable Live, and open Thunkable app in your mobile phone. Click on Scan QR code. The QR code is scanned now. Type username and password and click on login. You can see right now it is going to screen second. It means your application is working perfectly. This application is created just for the demo purpose to make user familiar with Thunkable platform. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share and subscribe.